This People First language has been made by Taylor Garcia for EDL 853 at Fort Hays State University. What is People First language? People First language is referring to a person before referring to their disability. A non-example of this would be saying, she's autistic. Instead, we should be saying, she has autism, separating the person from their disability and putting the person first. Why is this important? People with disabilities are still people. They may be moms, dads, sons, daughters, employees, students, teachers, doctors, and so much more. Each person is an individual with their own unique personality and life experiences. They may have more in common with you than you think or know. Some non-examples of this that I have heard in my own school building are: he is learning disabled. She is emotionally disturbed. He is just a SPED kid. She's developmentally delayed. And referring to a person's brain damage. Here are some ways that we can change our language. Instead of saying he is learning disabled, we can say he has a learning disability. Instead of saying she is emotionally disturbed, we can say she has a mental health condition. Instead of saying he is just a SPED kid, we could say he receives special education services. Instead of she's developmentally delayed, we can say she has a developmental delay. And instead of talking about a student's brain damage, we can say he has a brain injury or she has a brain injury. Here are some of the references I used to make this video. I hope that you learned something new about People First language.